spreadsheet looking just like this. Here's the number of items in a rather large population. You could scroll down, but there's quite a lot. And here's some XY data to try and correlate. I've got a random number generator in here. You can see the formula there. And this has just generated a random number between 0 and 1. And what I'm going to do is this. If I Command C this, and then edit, paste special, the values. So notice these random numbers constantly change anytime you paste or write a value into any of the rest of the spreadsheet. So if I try and line this up in size order, it's no good because it keeps changing. But now these are just numbers. Watch what happens if I click on here and then I just sort A to Z. Now all these numbers changed here, but now look at these. These numbers are in size order. Now just think about the process. Every pair of XY values was assigned a random number, completely random from 0 to 1. I've lined them up in size order and I'm going to pick the first 30. So literally we've done a random sample. Every member of the population has had an equal chance of being selected. And there's my sample of size 30. You'll notice every time I pasted, this random number keeps generating a different one. Okay? So in here I'm going to work out Pearson's correlation coefficient, the R value. So equals PEAR. Click on it, and it wants it entered in a specific way. Highlight the first column, comma, and then highlight the second column. Okay, close the bracket, return. Okay, so it's negative correlation. That's cool. So I'm going to Command C, and I'm going to do edit, paste special, the value here. So this is going to be my list of samples. This is going to be my specific R value. So each time I paste a different set of 30 in here, I'm going to get a different R value and I'm going to transfer it to here. So I'm going to generate 8 to 10 R values for samples of size 30. So all the time I've been pasting here, this random number's constantly being changed. So I'm just going to go on Command C, and I'm going to go edit, paste special, values again. So a different set of random numbers. Now this one and this one, obviously it's the same as this one, because I haven't reordered these, I haven't sorted them out again. And I'm going to sort them by this random number again. So the random number is A to Z, and here's my second set of 30. Command C. Now I've got everything set up for me. The power of the spreadsheet says I just have to paste the new set here, and the R value will be automatically updated. Yeah. So let's just do Command V. And as you did that, the R value was updated, but also the random number was just generated again. So I'm going to just repeat the process. Command C, and then edit, paste special, values only. And there we go. And this random number has been changed one more time. I'm going to call this R value here. Alright, so Command C. Notice I'm clicking on D to highlight the whole thing and E to highlight the whole column. So this goes down quite a long way. See? I've already got 500, 600. So edit, paste special values, size order, generate a sample of size 30. Got it. Command C, Command V, Command C, edit, paste special, values. Now you might wonder why just do Command C and then Command V? Well, if you do Command V, you're just typing in the formula, you're pasting the formula down. Yeah. So we just want the value there. Oops, there we go. Delete that. Okay, so I've already got 3 values here. Once you've generated, I don't know, 8 to 10 R values, I want you to take these guys here and then open up the second spreadsheet, and we're going to share our values here. Yeah, I'm going to make sure that we've just got it to 4 decimal places. 4 sig fig, 4 decimal places, yeah, that should seem okay. So already for my particular 4 values, I've got a spread from negative 0.2-ish to positive 0.2-ish. Okay, so we might like to hypothesize, how do we think the population data is correlated? Is there a strong positive correlation? Is there zero correlation? Is there a negative correlation? And so that's where the lesson's headed. If we look at all our values here and try and visualize the spread of the R values for our samples, how do we think the R values should be spread about when thinking about the population correlation coefficient? Okay, give that a go.